Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to make an analysis about the S&P 500. Well, as you can see, we are in the last day of the week. So we are going to look at the weekly analysis. So the inflation data came today, and in my yesterday's video, I told you I was expecting below from it. You can see it just tomorrow. The inflation data will be came, and because of the Americans money supply, shortage of the money supply, the inflation will be just come below what we are expecting at the moment. And everything seems good at the moment. The inflation is going down. Also, there's not much unemployment crisis in the America, but stocks are going below. But I think it's just a speculative movement at the moment, and I don't believe it will be go very much. And I think the markets will be up in the US markets I'm talking about at the moment. And because American economy is strong, and within that strong economy, the Fed is ready to cut rates, and within the cut rates, more liquidity, the markets will be go up. And also there's a market story with the AI hype. AI hype is a market story. So we are waiting for AI rally. It just reconstituted itself, the US markets, and I believe in the next week it will be go past to the 7,000. Well, I don't actually know when it's going to pass through the 7,000, but it will be. And there's a lot of orders over here, so it's got always bouncing back. But when they come, these sell orders are going to will be vaporized through the market with the buyers, and the market will be starts to go really faster, going upside. So I'm bullish about American markets. I suggest you the American markets. I suggest you with the AI ones. Well, with the Nasdaq, well, especially with the AI companies. So same thing with the Nasdaq. Count my moving average, not much problem. Dow Jones is made the all-time high in Tuesday and Wednesday. They are also too equal, but the S&P and the Nasdaq didn't follow it, so it gone a little bit down. Not a much problem at the moment. It will be go up because the markets will going to go up, and it will be going to be the 50,000. It has been, but it will be hit 50,000 and 51, 52, 53. It will be go within the 1 year period, I believe. Well, if we look at the US 10 years, I'm going to look at the weekly. Well, the inflation in America is 2.3. So the 10-year bonds is like 4% at the moment, and the 2 weeks ago it was 4.30. So it was too high. I believe the market is going down because the people are selling their assets and buying bonds with 10-year bonds. 4.30 is a really good sign because the inflation concerns are not real, because inflation is going down, and American also economic growth is good. The money supply could not reach the economic growth at the moment. There is a shortage of the money supply compared to the economic growth, and there's not much inflation concerns have to be at the moment. So this is a huge sell to the US 10 years 3.61. It's a huge sell, and I think that's the reason why the market is going down, because people sold their assets and bought American 10-year bonds, because this is high. VIX is okay below the 20. We see if the VIX passes through the 25, danger bells are ringing, and if it's going to pass 27.5, danger bells are really coming at the moment, it says so. If it go past through the 30, it means there is a crisis at the moment. So it is 20, not good, not bad, and it will be go down, I believe so, because the market is going to be way on its way with the inflation data, and it will be go down because there's not much a problem at the economy right now. Just scared about the markets when everybody is optimistic about it, when everybody is positive about it. Just keep that in mind. If you are going to be scared, just scared when everybody was talking euphoric things for them. Just euphoric things. Just think. Everybody says Bitcoin will go to the 250 when it was $120,000, but right now it's 60. So just be fearful when everybody is very optimistic at that moment. Gold. gold is not good. There's a negative divergence over here, -1 going up, but the momentum is not very powerful at the moment. Technically, I believe the gold will be surged through here and made this reconciliation, surge through 4,300 maybe, and 5,000 levels. It will be surge from here, and I will not buy gold because it made a really good price increasement trend, and this is risky because it gave the people what they wanted. So okay, the central banks just bought it, but the central banks just want to feel what people want to make a provision about it. They are making a provision about if the people in that country want something. If I talk about the gold, I'm talking about the gold right now. If I bought gold in a country, that country should buy gold and must have to buy gold, because when I'm going to sell the gold, maybe I could make a profit, and the central bank will be just make a loss from it. So they have to match equities for that. That's the reason central banks are buying. But it doesn't mean the gold won't go further from the 5,000 levels. It will go up, but not right now. Maybe in a couple of months, maybe 6 months, 1 year, I believe so. That's my opinion about it. Well, I don't have the same opinion about the silver. Well, it seems like the silver could surge through here a little bit and make a double tap. It seems so. And I don't think it will be passed through the 120. I don't believe it. I don't think it's not believing it, because I'm believing it because I'm not seeing it right now. But if it go past through the 140 maybe in 1 year, it doesn't make any sense, and I don't believe it will happen. So I'm not looking good for the silver, but it can make a double tap 120. It can go through here, or maybe 100 level. But in the long run, I believe it will go down. In the long run, I mean 1 year period. So the platinum has rushed very late. It joined the gold and silver very late, the bull run, but it went up really fast in a very short time. And I believe if the silver go down, this will go down twice as much silver. So platinum, I wouldn't suggest that. Also, it's below the carbon average. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Well, it made a double tap through here, July and September 2025. It made it, and there's a negative divergence occurred over here, going down, and below the carbon average it went below and made its confirmation. Also broke its price increasement trend. Seems it will go through like here, and also we can do this. Yeah, whenever it breaks this trend line, if it breaks that, we can say maybe the bear season has ended, but we are in the bear season at the moment. So I won't suggest you to buy Bitcoin at the moment, because the reason for the Bitcoin price going up is the only thing because the inflation data, market optimism, but the real way in the Bitcoin, also Ethereum, also with XRP, also with the altcoins, if it's not manipulative, is going down. So I won't suggest it. And also my opinion about the altcoins, most of them going to be delisted. So my opinion about the Bitcoin is not good. Also with Ethereum, bear season occurring maybe through here. No, this side, kinda. Yeah, the bear season is not good. So XRP could lose its candle. It can lose it. It's not good. Maybe 1.5 it can be happened. Well, I'm not this topic at the moment, but I'm just saying you the reality at the moment. Just stay away from the cryptocurrencies for a while. Just make your time, just don't buy it. I believe cryptocurrencies will be the future of this money industry, kinda. We will be a part of the future money industry. It is, but it will be more, and it is at the moment, but it will be more. So Just wait, just accumulate your money, make another trades what if you like to do, but do not buy cryptocurrencies at the moment because the price trend is going down. So you can buy a lot more when the price is more in dip. I wouldn't suggest the otherwise for you. Also with XMR same thing, it's going to be double checking this, the resistance level, the prior support level, it broke it, and checking it. This is not good, by the way, in the Monero. But in the long run, I believe the Monero will do a really good business because it have a usage in the real life. And I have Moneros. I knew it was going to be I knew it, this is the tombstone candle over here, but I didn't sold because I bought it and I didn't sold it many times, and I wouldn't because I'm making an asset investing at the moment. Yes, there is inflation in the Monero, I know, 0.8 every year, but it's not much a problem because it has a usage in the real life and the price will be go up. Just it is only in the bear season right now. This is an opportunity for us. We can buy Moneros a lot more, but don't be rush. Just wait, accumulate your money, and when the time is right, I'm going to say you that when the time is right, just follow me and we will going to buy all together, but not right now. Thank you for watching my video. See you all.